What is going on, everybody? My name is Robert Watkin and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to get Minecraft for free with multiplayer. If this video is helpful to you, then just leave a like at any point and consider subscribing. We're going to jump straight into this tutorial. So what you want to do first of all, guys, is go into the description of this video and click on the link which will take you to this page here. If it doesn't take you to this page, then you can see the URL at the top here. Just copy that out and it should bring you to this page. When you're on this page, you want to scroll down and you want to look for this mega link here. If you click on that and open it, you will then be brought to this mega page as expected. You want to click on the download button and give that a minute to download. Once this is finished downloading, we'll get back and continue on with the process. It could take a little while, so just bear that in mind with it being an actual full-size game. Now guys, once the file has actually finished downloading, you'll be given this raw file. Now what I'm going to do is move this file to my desktop just to make this process a little bit easier. So once you've got the file, what you're going to want to do is right click on the file and extract files. Now bearing in mind you will need the software WinRAR or some other similar software. If you don't have this software, then you can just download it. The link is in the description of this video, so head down and get that before you continue. If you've already got a piece of software that can do this, then just follow along. You basically want to extract the files, so I'm going to use the extract files button here, and we're going to just click OK straight away. It'll just extract it into the same location, and we can see that it is here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to open this file. We're going to go into this file, click on Minecraft 1.13.2, and then click on Minecraft.exe. And we'll give this a minute to load. You may have to give administrator access to this. If you do, then just click yes, and then you'll get the Minecraft setup wizard. Now you want to go through this process. It is just like any other install process, so if you just slowly click through the process, make sure you read everything and just check everything's correct to how you want it, and then give it a little bit of time to install. As you can see, it was actually really fast, so I'm already done. You can see that we have got a little icon on the desktop over here. I'm just going to click finish, and I've already got launch Minecraft selected, so it should just open it straight away. And as you can see, it is by the looks of it, and there we go. Now when you get this prompt to put in a username, you can type in whatever you want here. So I'm just going to go Robert does tutorials, and we're going to click play. And then what we're going to do is also click play at the bottom here. And then after just a minute or so of waiting and everything getting set up for the first time, you will be able to see that Minecraft is completely working and we've got it for completely free. So it is still on the splash screen, but there we go, we are actually in the game, and you can see it is actually the Java edition. If we click single player here, we can create a new world. Let's just keep it as new world, and there we go. After loading for a bit, we are in the game. You can see it's running complete. You can see it is running completely fine. There doesn't seem to be a problem with it. I do keep getting a couple little lag spikes, and I think that's just because I've just made the world. But there we go. Yeah, it's working and didn't have to spend a single penny. So there you go. That is how I get Minecraft for free, guys. I hope you did find this helpful. Let's just do what every Minecraft YouTuber used to do back in the day and kind of talk to myself like this. But that is going to be it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching. I hope you did enjoy. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, then please leave a like and consider subscribing to see more tutorials. And if you would like to see any other videos, just suggest them down below in the comments. And I will see you in the next video, whatever I make, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.